Mini Turon is a small version of banana lumpia with caramel. Try this mini turon covered in thin coat of crispy sugar brittle and drizzled with delicious caramel syrup. It is known as a popular snack and street food among Filipinas. These are usually sold along street with banana queue, kamote queue, and maruya. What do we need? Saba banana. Prepare the saba banana by peeling and cutting into even slices. So cut one banana into 4 pieces. So the 3 ripe bananas will give you about 12 pieces in total. Then prepare the jackfruit. And you have to remove the seed and slice it into strips. Let's prepare our workstation and make sure that the following are available, like jackfruit strip, spring roll wrapper, cut bananas, and brown sugar. And of course, cinnamon is an optional. Place a spring roll wrapper in front of you. Take one banana slice and coat it with the brown sugar and add 2 to 3 slices of jackfruit and place about 1 inches from the bottom corner and lift the bottom corner and cover the filling. Then fold both sides. And continue to roll upwards until you have 1 inch left of space. You can use your fingers to brush the top corner with water and complete the roll to seal. Repeat with the rest of the turon. Place a spring roll wrapper in a diamond shape in front of you. You can put the cinnamon powder. This is an optional. One corner is at the top of your workstation while another corner is facing at the bottom. So do the same procedure as the first procedure from just now. Leave the bottom corner and cover the filling. Take the left and the right corners and fold them towards the center. Use ripe bananas not only because they are tastier, but because unripe bananas will not stick to the dark brown sugar coating. In a pan, fill enough vegetable oil until it's about 2 inches high. Heat your oil into 350 degrees Fahrenheit, or you can use the chopstick to measure the heat by looking at the bubbles. Then that means you can start to fry. When the oil is hot enough, carefully lower the turon into the oil. Fry for about 1 minute before turning over and cooking for another minute or until the turon is nice and golden brown. And then drain the turon on the side of the pan by putting one new turon beside. Once the oil is drained, you can start to remove the turon and place them into the plate. And repeat with the rest of the turon. In a new saucepan over medium-low heat, add the butter and watch carefully until it begins to melt. And add the brown sugar. And mix it together with the butter. And you can add 1/8 cup of water to melt the sugar. And wait until the caramel become light golden brown. Once you achieve this texture, you can start to pour the turon in the pan and mix it properly. Make sure that each turon is coated properly with the caramel syrup. You also can use the tongue to dip and roll the turon right into the caramel pan. But be very careful when dipping because the caramel can be very hot. There you go. As you can see that the caramel sugar are fully distributed to the turon. And once you transfer it into the plate, let the turon rest. Once the turon rested, the caramel should harden and it should be ready to serve soon. There you go. Slowly transfer into the plate. And of course, I still have some remaining jackfruit. Then I don't want to waste it, so I gonna cook it a bit. And then I still can put together with the turon so that anyone wants an extra jackfruit, you can eat it. There you go. I'm done. Yummy, yummy. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to hit the notification bell, subscribe, and share.